everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tech. So you can probably tell out that I tried doing a makeup look before getting on camera, and guess what? You're correct. The look that I tried doing was not working, hun. It was not working. So I want to try the look again, but I don't know if it's gonna like really work out, because at first I was using my Mayo loose powders, but that was a no-go. It was a no. So I don't know. Now I'm just kind of just going with the flow of things. But while I'm going with the flow of things and you watching, make sure to subscribe and make sure to turn on my notification bell so that you'll know when I've posted a new video, okay? And if I'm being honest, I'm not showing this part because I do this in every video. So we're just gonna jump into the next step. All right. So today, I'm feeling kind of blue. And I'm not talking about mentally. I'm talking about makeup-wise. And I feel like I always do blue, but if you got a problem, sis, or bro, let me know. Matter of fact, don't let me know because I don't care. Just leave. And yes, this is a mess, a big freaking mess, but it's okay because we about to be popping. So we're gonna go in with my James Charles Morphe palette, and we'll go in with this blue first. Then, I don't know why I started with this dark blue, but we're gonna go in with this blue right here and go over the blue so that it, you know, blends a lot smoother. Yeah. This is dramatic. Very dramatic already. And honestly, I don't feel like showing y'all me cutting my crease out. Y'all already know how I do that. If you don't know, go look at my previous videos because it's not that kind of day today. Okay, and we're gonna go back in with this blue and just, let's start with this side. Add that to the end. Just gonna drag that in a little bit more. Do a little more. Do a little more. At this point, we're kind of just freestyling now. So now we're gonna go in with this lime green. Put that right there. Oops, was not trying to get that dark green. Actually, it probably worked a little in my favor while we're playing. You don't want to mess up your crease. It's kind of like you're doing a makeup look within a makeup look. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with, oh no, wrong color. We're gonna go in with this color right here. I feel like it's more of like an emerald, but I see it has a little blue to it too, but guess who ain't complaining? And since we're done with that, we're gonna go in with my NYX liner and just do my wing liner. Benefit. Don't really need that much. And what I'm gonna do is, just to add some difference to it, I'm gonna add some white liner to my brow bone. Okay, so So now we're gonna go in with my lashes that I've gotten from the Emmy Way project that I cannot tear myself away from because they are so freaking gorgeous. Don't fall into the trap because it's easy to fall into it. I'm just gonna line my lower lash line with this black. Then we'll go in with this blue and kind of just smoke it out. Okay, everybody, I will be right back. I'm going to do my face makeup off camera because I'm tired. I'm tired. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned. I'll be back. All right, everybody, and this is the finished look. I did add lashes to the bottom. I did add little dots under my eyeliner. I just went out. I went all out today. And if you don't like the look, bye. But if you like the look, please leave a big thumbs up, and please make sure to comment anything, something nice, something you watching and you liking, you might as well comment too. And make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow my Instagram and Twitter, Rudy Tate with an _. And like I said before, please make sure to turn on the notification bells because that'll help a lot for y'all to know when I'm posting and whatnot. And I'm really sorry about my hair this time around. I jumped up, I did my makeup, I did not feel like doing my hair, and I still need to wash it because it's about that time I washed it. But all right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.